up, everybody? It's your boy Johnny Nobody. Hey, I'm Johnny Nobody from the band Kill the Imposter. 3 Doom 6 Records, 36B Productions, Metalworks Live Music Venue, T9 Tactical. Too many hats! And this is my homie, Jaime Hooten, from the band Gears, from 3 Doom 6 Records. And his actual name is Jimmy Wooten. You know, when you got homies, you give them names, right? A lot of these songs are sent to us.
So this one was actually suggested to us by
Go ahead.
the man behind the camera.
Caleb Joshua.
CBM official.
Media. CBM Media official.
CBM Media.
Yeah, he tries out too many titles.
Here we go. Today is Kaonashi. I hate the sound of car keys. Official music.
I actually do hate the sound of anything. And when Jaime Hooten stays at your house, be prepared. Because not only will your couch make new noises, but every dish in your sink will make noises. Also, he's the loudest person smoking a cigarette ever, in addition to his snoring. I mean, let's run this thing, man.
Kaonashi. I hate the sound of car keys.
Okay. This dude is a big fella.
And he owns it.
And I don't think a smaller gentleman could have had that much air. Because that fella just breathed hard.
I like the staccato.
I like the craziness of it all, to be honest with you.
And now I feel like we're about to get into the grooviness.
Yeah. I'm just saying. I like to be a little literal sometimes, a little to the point. That gentleman had to have that lung capacity. I would be slightly dizzy by the time this groove kicks in from In and Out. You ready?
Oh.
Another good cymbal guy.
Tasty. Okay. I will say this is a very unique voice in today's metal world.
Typically, I would have hit the space bar by now, but I can't look away.
He hates the sound of car keys. This is like, can't look away. Car crash. I love that kind of shit. Dreads, I like those. There's a lot going on.
There's a lot going on.
And I
typically I am not a loss of words.
This video is only 2 minutes and 40 seconds long. I feel like we've been watching it for 10 minutes because
it is an eternity
happening. I will say they're not predictable.
Really?
Not at all.
You're right. They ain't predictable.
I will tell you, there's like some really challenging things musicianship wise here. They're doing some pretty cool stuff, and there's some tasty stuff that I like in there, like a cymbal grab earlier on, and then right during this part there was like that little mathy kind of underneath.
The whole thing is math.
Yeah, I was good at math, but I don't know if I can figure this equation out.
Oh yeah.
All right, shall we? Or was there more?
By all means.
Whew. That's kind of fucking. Another Equal Vision Records artist.
Yeah. I think you should unpack this one.
I mean, you know,
I'm very hot.
I'm never one to.
I'm very warm right now.
I'm never one to try and scratch the surface, but here I go. Lots of stuff. There's a million parts in the song, which I know that's, you know, popular in some ways. I feel like the stuff going on vocally is very intriguing.
Yeah, intriguing.
I think there's a ton of cool things happening musically, like little tasty things that I mentioned before.
Yeah.
But as a whole, I don't know if I like it. I don't know if I love it. I don't love it. I think I could like it. I love the attitude of the band.
Attitude's great.
The presence of the band.
The
is
musicianship was
Second to none,
8.1273. Yeah. Subject matter. I hate the sound of car keys. I don't know that he mentioned keys.
There was definitely some daddy stuff in there.
Dad stuff, and don't look down.
And I think we've all been there.
I think the chaos that came from the music doesn't relate to the lyrics that were said.
I'd be interested to dig a little deeper on this band.
I'd like to know. I would like to have a conversation with this vocalist.
I think you guys would probably connect on more than you think.
Not high fives.
They're from the city of brotherly love. That's my city.
We would connect on a lot of things other than high fives.
Oh yeah.
They couldn't reach. Kaonashi, like everything was just so much chaos, and then that dude's voice was just
That is not what you would expect
nah.
at all.
And then that breakdown came, and I was like, "Oh, he's going low. He's going low." He did not. He did. I wonder if he has a low.
I don't know. I mean, judging by this, I think that his register is definitely up there for this particular song. Like Philadelphia, interesting.
Why?
That's where I kind of consider my hometown, even though I've
Yeah, but
lived
you can
so
go get
many other
a
places.
Thanksgiving sandwich.
The Gobbler.
Yeah, I love the gobbler. Anyway, hey man, that's Kaonashi. I hate the sound of car keys.
Shout out to Wawa Gobbler.
Kaonashi, keep doing your thing, man. I want to hear what's next.
Likewise.
I'm Johnny Nobody. If you want us to react to your music, please send it right about. You know where to edit it. Yeah, send your stuff in. Kaonashi, keep rocking, because there ain't enough uniqueness in the world, so you keep being unique.
Hell yeah.
See ya.
Bye.